everyone, welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. My name is Haley and this is the first video I have posted on this channel in probably a year. I canceled all of my clothing subscriptions about a year ago because I just didn't feel like any of them were really getting my style. And I just felt like I could do a much better job picking things for myself. I also found that the pieces that they chose for me were a little bit too expensive. But over the past year, I have kind of grown to miss getting little surprises here and there. And so there have been some changes at Stitch Fix, and I thought maybe it was a good time to try it out again. I don't have a subscription, I don't have a style pass or anything. I just ordered a random fix, and so I'm excited to see what is in here. My birthday's also coming up, so I have a little bit of treat yourself energy, so we'll see what's in here, and I'm excited for this video. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a clothing subscription. You can get it every month, you can get it twice a month, you can get it just at random times whenever you want. That's what I do. And then you kind of tell them your style, tell them your sizes, and they send you 5 pieces. You keep what you want, you send back what you don't want. It's $20 to get styled, and that goes towards anything that you decide to keep. And then if you don't keep anything, then you lose your $20. So you're kind of made to want to at least keep something, so you get your $20 worth for the fix. But I just thought it would be fun to try again. I'm definitely a Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, bargain shopper kind of girl, but Stitch Fix just has some kind of unique stuff. And I've been seeing a lot of things on the app recently that I have really liked. So this should be fun. And also they have the preview thing where your stylist picks a bunch of things and you can see it before they actually give you your fix or before they ship your fix. And you can say I like this, send this to me, or I absolutely hate this, I don't want it. And so in my preview, I think I chose 2 or 3 items and I said no to the rest. So let's see what they sent me. I had to go get the scissors, but here is my box all opened. At the top you have the return mailer for anything that you don't want. You can send it back in this. It's already labeled and all that. And then we have the little envelope with prices and a letter from my stylist. So I have no clue who my stylist is, so this will be fun. Okay, so this right here has pictures of everything that's going to be in my fix, as well as ways to style them. And then we have my letter from my stylist, who is Hunter. All right, so hi Haley, welcome back for your 8th fix. I am so excited to be styling you today. A trip to Florida sounds like so much fun. I'm going to pack this fix full of some great options, and hopefully some of them will make it into your suitcase. I see you snagged the Madewell linen top from your fix preview. This lightweight short sleeve top is great to have along with you. Wear these with the Flag and Anthem linen and cotton blend shorts for an easy breezy look. Slip on some sandals for a stroll along the beach. The Luck embroidered cami caught your eye as well. This is in a muted green that is awesome because it will match with just about anything. I had to send the bright purple Luck embroidered cami as well. This has a drop ruffle giving it a totally different look. I hope you have the best time, Hunter. So yes, I am going on a little trip to Florida in a couple weeks to celebrate my birthday with my mom, so it's gonna be super fun. So told her that. And yeah, so this is the bundle. Looks quite summery. We've got some blues and greens and a little purple peeking out, which is definitely my color palette. So let's dig in. And let me get out my price sheet as well, just to go over the prices, because this is one of my biggest beefs with Stitch Fix, is that things are a little bit pricey. However, my total for this fix is only $191, so they kept it under $200 this time, which I am very grateful for. That is where I keep everything. The subtotal is $255.50, but it's not the worst that they've done. And I think that part of that is it being summer, and there aren't sweaters, but it's fine. All right, so this first thing is the Luck, I guess that's how you say it, L-U-Q. If you know that that's wrong, let me know. But this is a little like light sage green cami with a little bit of lace detailing down the front. I thought this was really cute. It was in my preview and I don't really have anything like it, so I thought this would be super fun. They sent me this in an extra large and it is $38. All right, the next thing is the Madewell shirt, which I also chose because I just love Madewell, and I thought this was made really cute. It's got this little drawstring at the bottom, so it's a little bit more cropped, and it would go super well with anything high-waisted. So it's a little striped linen blend shirt. It feels very good quality. It's a good soft linen-y material. Sometimes the linen blend things are kind of scratchy, but this feels really nice. It has pockets on both sides and buttons down the front. And this is probably going to be pricey because it's Madewell. It's the linen blend button-up drawstring shirt in light purple, extra large for $72. A little bit pricey, but we'll see. If I love it, it might be worth it. All right, next thing is the other cami from Luck. And this one is purple, which I really love. I don't have a lot in this color. I don't actually think I have anything this color. I love the little like detailing around the edges. It's also got lace, but it has a little ruffle at the bottom, which is super cute. So yeah, I'm excited to give this one a try as well. This is the Luck Audrey embroidered cami in purple, size extra large for $38. And then we have what appears to be a pair of shorts. They're from Flag and Anthem. They are an olive green, kind of like utility short with a drawstring and elastic waist. Good pockets in the front and back, and they're really soft. Did they say they were linen? No. They don't feel like linen. They feel more like a tencel kind of material. They're quite soft. I do have a pair of shorts that are very similar to these, so I don't know that I need them, but if it's a 5 for $5, I don't know. We'll see. These are the Flag and Anthem Loyola drawstring short in olive, size extra large for $49.50. And then last but not least, this was also in my preview and I thought it was so beautiful and I cannot wait to try this on. It's so cute. I love this pattern. It's a really nice floral pattern, pink and blue. It's a spaghetti strap, adjustable strap maxi dress. I think it has a slit. Yes, it has a really nice slit up the front, which I just thought was so cute. It is from Nine Britain. It is a 1X, so this is the Nine Britain Sylvia maxi dress. They call it pink. It's in a 1X and it's $58. So let's get to the try. All right, first up we have the Luck Melanie embroidered cami in green. I think this is really, really cute. I'm currently just wearing it with my regular bra, which I probably should just tuck the straps in, which I think would work fine. I hate strapless bras, and you know what? It works just as well to just tuck the straps in your regular bra, and it's so much more comfortable for some reason or another. So easy thing to do. Or you could just wear like a cardigan or a denim jacket over it. I think that would be super cute as well. I love it with these shorts that I already had on. And then the back, it's just simple. There's nothing really going on. It does have adjustable straps, which is nice. And yeah, I think this one might be a contender. I just threw on this denim jacket with the Melanie top. I just thought it would be a great little option. It was a little bit cooler outside. I think this top would definitely transition into the fall. You could also wear it in the spring. So it would be a great piece with the denim jacket, or even like a cream colored cardigan with, if you did the denim jacket, you could do some white jeans or black jeans. And if you did the cardigan, you could just wear it with regular denim jeans. I think that'd be super cute. So very versatile piece. Definitely consider it. All right, so this is the Luck Audrey embroidered cami, and I like this one even more than the green one. I love the little ruffle at the bottom. I think it's super cute. I think this would kind of help it go better with maybe a skinnier bottom, like some skinny jeans or some tighter shorts or something. I think that would be really cute with this top. This color is really unique for me. I don't have anything this color, and I also love the way that these straps kind of come up a little bit thicker up until right here where they break off into the spaghetti straps. I think this little detailing is super cute, and yeah, I don't really have anything negative to say about this. I think it's really cute. I think just like the green one, you could layer it with a denim jacket or a cardigan, and it would be really cute either way, or just by itself. I did have to let the straps out a lot on this one, like all the way out, because I felt like my arms were choking, but I think it's really, really cute, and I might keep this one too. So here we have the Madewell button-up linen blend drawstring shirt, and I think it's so cute. I love the drawstring. It just gives it something different from your typical button-up, and I think it's really cute. It gives it kind of a shorter length, which makes it go really well with these high-waisted shorts that I already had on. And from the back, this is kind of what it looks like, and yeah, I really like it. They're calling this color purple, and on the website I really thought it was blue, but if you're calling it purple, then it's my favorite color and I really like it. So either way, it's a really cute top. And so I did try on the Flag and Anthem shorts. They were too small, like I couldn't even get them on, so that's why I'm not showing y'all, but I'm not that sad because I already have a pair of shorts that are very similar and I didn't need them anyway. That just means this won't be a 5 for 5, so gotta start making some decisions. But we still have a dress left, and it's so cute. I cannot wait to try it on and show you guys. So okay, I don't know about this dress. So it is from Nine Britain, and it is a 1X, it's plus size. So it's a little different. Everything else I had was an extra large, but I don't know how I feel about this dress. I don't think it's the most flattering thing in the world. I really liked the idea of the slit. I really liked the print. I thought it was going to be real flattering by the tiers and stuff, but this waist is really low, which I don't love. I think it would be a lot more flattering if it fell up here, but then it's just kind of weird because it's like it's tight right here, and so there's just this extra fabric right here. So I don't really know. And then there's a seam right here that hits me below the butt. So it doesn't flow out from the waist. It comes in right here, and then it flows out. And I just don't know, it kind of draws attention to my stomach. So I don't know how I feel about it. Here's the whole thing. I'm on the fence on this one, you guys. Let me know what you think. I was really excited about it, but I don't know that I love it. Okay, so I have some decisions to make. So going through everything, we had the Flag and Anthem Leola drawstring shorts. They were $49.50, and I'm not keeping them because they didn't fit. The next thing was the Madewell Linen Blend button-up drawstring shirt for $72, and I really liked it, and I think I might keep that one. The next thing is the Luck Audrey embroidered cami. That was the purple one. It was $38. I really liked it too. And then there was the Luck Melanie embroidered cami in green for $38 as well. That one I may or may not keep, I'm not really sure. And then there's the Nine Britain Sylvia maxi dress, which is what I'm wearing. And it is $58, and I am just not sure about it. I really like maxi dresses for work. I'm going back to work in just a few weeks now. So maxi dresses are really great and really easy for work. You just throw on a cardigan with it and call it a day. But I don't know if I like the way it fits me. So you guys let me know in the comments what you think. I have a couple more days to decide. The subtotal for my fix was $255.50. The buy all discount of 25% would take off $63.88, making my subtotal $191.62. So I don't know, but y'all let me know. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you maybe next time. Bye.